Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. You may or may not have noticed that recently I changed the thumbnail design for these videos and I'd love your feedback on it. Let's get on with the video and a very chaotic first clip and a warm welcome to my new subscribers. One of the road laws that I do like in America is being able to turn right on a red light. However, it does open up the opportunity for more idiots to make themselves known. Good reactions from the driver here, and it's about as close as you'd want it to be. This clip is from New York and happened just yesterday, so the 17th of June. When I first watched this, I thought the focus was going to be on the white car turning right, as he cuts pedestrians off crossing, goes on the wrong side of the road, and generally just is driving quite aggressively. But watch what happens next. There's so much to focus on in this clip. These guys were inches away from being killed. I love how this guy, despite being one of the main witnesses, decides to just head out. As this happened so recently, there's not too much information about it, but 7 people were hospitalised and the driver was arrested, so it's most likely a DUI. Even this camera car bails. Bit of a knob. Okay, so it's quiz time now. I'm going to place a question on the screen. Just try your best. What is this driver about to do? Of course it's B, otherwise it wouldn't be in this compilation. Some very impressive reactions from the driver to avoid that collision. Unfortunately, I lost the source for this clip. I remember reading that it was in United States, but I can't remember where, so no story, but enjoy anyway. This car is going through an automatic car wash. I just want to say while we are watching this clip, if you do care about your paintwork, please don't use these. They slap the shit out of your car. Anyway, this guy gets rear-ended, probably as the result of hitting the wrong pedal. The pickup truck crossing the intersection has just purchased some shiny brand new worktops. Excited to get them home, it looks like he doesn't secure the pallet to the trailer. I can only imagine the heartbreak because that stuff is not cheap.
What are the odds you pass the state trooper?
Use your turn signal and jump over 60.
1, 2, 3, 3.
Go.
Shut the fuck
Jump
up.
over 60. Go a little faster than that. Go to like 61.
I hope he pulls you over.
Oh my
Oh,
God,
he's pulling you over.
Why?
Maybe because you're speeding and overtaking a cop that's doing the speed limit? I don't know, that's just a guess. There's very few people who understand how difficult it is to stop a fully loaded truck. The blue car in front is about to learn the lesson the hard way after he brake checks. What a dumbass. He's probably going to get his ass handed to him now by this trucker. And rightfully so. Well, at least he tried. When I shared this one to Reddit, it was discussed that maybe he got his left foot stuck under the wheel. I really don't think that's the case. He just slipped and did the splits. Speeding in heavy rain, like the people carrier on the left hand side is doing is a pretty stupid move. As many as 1 in 4 fatal accidents can be linked to bad weather, and hydroplaning is a real risk in these kinds of conditions, as this guy finds out. I'll zoom it in because he's quite far away so that it's easier to watch. Thankfully, it doesn't look like too heavy of a collision. We're on board with another trucker now, and the red sedan pulling out just doesn't see him. I mean, how do you not see a truck? He causes a collision with a poor couple on the other side of the road. Although while editing this clip I realised these guys are idiots too. They don't appear to be wearing their seatbelts. So they can consider this bump a warning. The driver here is very clearly speeding. Maybe she's rushing home because she's turtling. If you don't know what that is, look it up. She's not the only idiot in this clip. The driver towing what looks like a piece of machinery gets distracted and runs off the side of the road. I'm very impressed that this pickup on the opposite side of the road stops. There needs to be more people like this in this world. And this lady looks pissed that she can't make it to the toilet. American roads are very wide compared to their European counterparts. Some people though still think they need to do a U-turn from the right hand lane. This is the result. When on the highway, if you do discover you're in the wrong lane, either carry on or fix it quickly. Do not do what this guy does and be an indecisive tool. This is the behaviour that causes the accidents. Have you ever seen the barriers at petrol stations and wondered what they're for? This clip shows us why they exist. There really are people this stupid driving around. Why not just turn your wheels to the right to prevent more damage? For this final clip, the driver decides to go around barricades warning him about the flooded road, clearly thinking his truck can make it through. I wonder at what point he realises he's fucked it up. I mean, he doesn't even give it a good go, he just rolls through and then he loses all control as his pickup becomes a boat. Before I go, I just want to thank everybody that's watched any of my previous videos. If you do have feedback, even if it's negative and constructive, I'd love to hear it. So leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next episode. What a dumbass.